My name is Kristen, and welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Today, I am going to show you how to make natural dyes for tie-dyeing out of ingredients you have in your kitchen. I encourage you to use old food or food you are about to throw out so that there is no food waste. This requires a stove, so make sure that it is done with an adult. And this is a bit of an experiment. We tried a few different foods from our kitchen to see what worked and what didn't. Here are the foods that we tried. We tried blueberries to make purple, turmeric to make yellow, red cabbage to try and make blue, beets to make a pink, spinach to make green, and finally, frozen red cherries to make red. For all the foods, you will want to place about half a cup into a saucepan. You can do more, you will just need more water on top. Keep in mind, you do not have to do the stove step for the turmeric. You simply mix 6 teaspoons of turmeric into 1.5 cups of water. You will then add enough water to just cover your food. I found that this was usually a 1-to-1 ratio. For example, if I used half a cup of food, it used half a cup of water on top as well. You are going to place these on the stove over high heat until they boil, and then lower the heat so that it simmers for about an hour. The longer they simmer, the darker your colors will be. After about an hour, you can take your dye off the stove and let it cool. Strain out the food and pour it into a bottle. To help the dye stick to your fabric, you may also want to add about a tablespoon of vinegar to each of your dye mixtures as well. After we made our dyes, we decided to test them out to see what really worked so you don't have to. Let's see our results. As you can see, the turmeric gives a very bright yellow on everything. The blueberries also make quite a vibrant purple color. If you plan on dyeing fabric with your natural dyes, you must first prepare the fabric. You can do this by placing about 1 cup of salt in 8 cups of water and putting it on the stove to boil. You will then place your fabric in it and let it sit for about an hour. Take it off the stove, let it cool, and rinse it off. If you want to try out these tie-dye techniques, be sure to watch our next video.